this is Mrunali and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very amazing, exciting recipe for you guys, hot chocolate bombs. Oh my god, these bombs are so lit. Just drop one in a mug, pour some hot milk and let the magic happen. And you guys can also make these for your loved ones and give them as a Christmas present, as you all know Christmas is approaching. Now, before moving further, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down there and also ring the bell icon so that you guys stay notified. And for more updates, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be given in the description box. And now, let's just get started.